What's up, guys? So I'm here at this Target, and as you can see, they just restocked up on these cars. Gonna swing by the Hot Wheels section in a bit. You know, I'm just gonna give them some space so that they could stock up over there. In the meantime, I'm gonna take a look over here, see what they got. They got this one. Check this one out, guys. They have a sale on these. You buy 3 and it's $3.33. So pretty much 3 for $10. It's not a bad deal. Check this one out, guys. It's pretty cool. Oh, nice. I found a racing red. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Definitely taking that one. And they have this one here. What else do they have over here? Pretty cool. Check out this one here. Pretty cool. Let's move on over here, see what they have. Pretty cool. And they have this one here. Looks like there's a variation. I don't know what the big difference is. Huh, that's weird. I wonder why this one has the horns and this one doesn't. That's weird. Oh well. Anyways, I'm not gonna take those. There's this one. Here's another one with the little horns or whatever they are. Look, guys. So check this one out, guys. Later. You have this one. Let's see what they have over here. You have this guy right here. Check this one out, guys. These are actually very cool. They have some pretty cool decals. So here's another Volkswagen. Very cool. Let's see. Check this one out. There's Taco back there. Okay, I already have meter. Let's see what they have. They have another one. Here's another Volkswagen. Here's another one. Oh man, check this out, guys. Another racing red. Awesome. Definitely taking that one. Check this one out. And there's this one over here. Not bad. Let's take a look at this side. That's already dropping stuff. Check this one out, guys. This one. This one here. Check this one out, guys. This one's really cool. I might take that one. Here's another Taco. Check this one out, guys. Very cool. Let's see what else. Check this one. Very cool. Check this out, guys. And then there's that one. Let's put these back. There's that one. Let's see what they have over here. Oops. This one. All right. This one, and that's the last one. That white one over there. Let's put these back. All right, guys. So looks like that's pretty much it. I'm gonna swing by the Hot Wheels section. I'm gonna make a brief pause and catch you guys back in a bit. Alright, guys, so I'm here in the Diecast section, and as you can see, it's pretty dry. They don't have anything here. They have a bunch of repeats, you know, a lot of peg warmers and stuff. And I took a look. Let me grab this. I took a look at the at this little short bin right here. Looks like they have a bunch of cars from old cases, so I didn't even bother looking. So I asked the stalker, and he said that he got a case yesterday, but a lot of people, you know, went after him right away. So that's pretty much it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless, and I'll catch you guys at the next one. Peace. Say what you